Boost your Python performance with the latest 3.13 update now. Python 3.13 is here, bringing significant performance improvements. According to the Python Software Foundation, 90% of Python developers rely on the latest version for optimal performance. The latest version features a revamped, just-in-time compiler, optimized garbage collection, and faster execution of Python bytecode. As noted by Guido van Rossum, creator of Python, the new just-in-time compiler is a game-changer for performance-critical applications. These changes result in faster code execution, reduced memory usage, and improved overall efficiency. Developers can now build high-performance applications, handle complex computations, and process large datasets with ease. The new version also includes various bug fixes and security patches, making it a must upgrade for Python developers. Want to stay ahead in the game and unlock the full potential of Python 3.13? Subscribe for more.